guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing the Australian tries Filipino snacks. So I have some stuff in here. Most of the food I have mga chips. He's not a big fan of chips, though he eats it. Pero he's more of like a chocolate person than chips. Yeah, meron din ako mga like, you know, cake, yung mga packets na cake like this. So we'll see how it goes. This is going to be a really honest video. If he doesn't like it, he will say he doesn't like it, and he will rate the food as well.
Out of what?
1 to 5.
1 to 5. 5 being really good.
Yeah.
1's been
bad.
Bad. Alright.
Really bad.
Alright.
Okay, so what do you want to start first?
Up to you, babe.
We will start with this. So this is from Region. It's custard cake. Looks like that.
Do you have any other flavors?
For this one, it's the only favorite flavor. Custard? Yeah. So okay, you do. It's kind of like
Sponge.
a sponge, yeah. It should have a filling inside. That's a custard. I've tried this one before. Once. Nandito na ako. Do you like it?
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Do you like it though?
It's plain. Very plain.
It's a bit
and
like
dry. Plain and dry.
2.5?
2.5.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna rate that like a 1. I think it's very dry, and I think the filling is a bit off.
Filling's okay.
I don't like the filling. Na-try ko na to eh, one night. Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, now let's try chips. So we have here, this is one of my favorite chips. Clover chips. Ouch. Barbecue flavor.
You like these ones?
I do.
Okay.
I love chips, but this one is one of my favorites from Philippines. It's so good.
Feels alright.
Do you like the smell?
Nope. Fail.
I love it. Okay. No, I'm not supposed to taste it. It's for you. Australian tries Filipino snacks.
They're good. Yeah, they're good.
I love this.
What would you give this out of 5?
5.
Nah.
What would you rate this?
3.5.
3.5?
3.5.
Why? Because it's not chocolate?
Yeah.
That's really good, babe.
They're good.
Oh
No, they're good, but they're 3.5 good.
Can you describe like how it tastes like?
I don't know. It's not like a normal chip.
A normal chip. It's not normal. It's really good. Next one is Hi-Ho Crunchy Cracker Nuts. Looks like this. Show them and then describe what it is. Let's give you 3. Show them. There you go.
Okay.
So, can you describe what it is?
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl.
It's a bowl.
Just, I know, crunchy.
Do you like it?
Don't love them. I couldn't eat a whole packet.
You couldn't eat the whole packet?
No.
I can see myself eating the whole packet. It's sweet chili as well. Oh, he's not a big fan of chili.
Don't like the texture either. 1.5.
Oh,
1.5.
you like the cake better than this?
I do, yeah.
Ah, interesting.
Sorry, babe.
Sure. There's V-cut potato chips. I'm not gonna say anything.
These just taste like normal chips.
Show them. Normal chips? No, not normal at all.
These taste like normal chips we get here.
You haven't tried it yet. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it better than the previous chip? The clover chips?
Yeah, I ate those probably before those. Yeah, the big
Yeah,
cups.
it's
Yep.
good. It's good.
Yeah, they're good.
I like it. How would you rate it?
3.5 as well.
Did you rate clover chips 3.5?
I did. Oh, 3 3/4. It's not a 4. It's not a 4.
Fudgy bars!
Are they popular in the Philippines?
They are, actually. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flavors, babe.
Chocolate. No, chocolate. There's
No,
chocolate.
look, there is chocolate, but can we start with vanilla?
Oh, we're not going to eat all of these.
You will. You will taste all of this.
Really?
Yes, you will. That's the point of getting the whole packet with different flavors, so you can taste every flavor.
Nah, it's a lot of flavors, babe.
Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay, which flavor do you want to start? Oh, of course. Chocolate! Can you focus?
Yep. Crack the camera.
There you go. Chocolate! So it's a fudge, like cake fudge something. It has a feeling as well, babe. What?
It's dry, okay.
Is it? So
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Next one is vanilla. This one doesn't look dry. Vanilla. It is a bit dry.
It is dry. 2.
Yeah. Okay, let's give these a rest and we'll try a
Yeah.
chip. So we have here tortillas. I got the spicy one. This is not super spicy, so you should be fine.
You should take these to work, babe.
I will. Okay. Looks like that.
Oh. 1. Disgusting.
No, it's not supposed to be like this.
It's like stale.
It's dry and it's rubbery. Ew! We're not supposed to eat that.
1. That goes in the bin.
That is supposed to be really crunchy and crispy. That's not good.
1.
Oh, this you like.
I like those.
You've tried this. Do you want to try it again?
Try again.
This is the Ribisco Choco. He loves this. Last time we got 1 packet and then I think I ate only 3. He finished the rest. And there's how many in the packet? 12? No, 10. And then I only ate 3. He loves his chocolate. This is really good. Yum. It's really good in the morning. And then on the go, if you're...
What do you give it?
A 5? I'll give it a 5. Will you give it a 5?
4.
You don't have a 5 yet. Oh.
4. No, it all tastes the same, babe.
No, it doesn't. It has different feelings. Okay, choose one. He doesn't want to try all of them. Can you choose one? Which one do you want to try?
The grey one.
The green?
Yeah.
Okay. Makapuno. I do not know what is that in English. Makapuno. It is green. Looks like Kit Kat green tea. But it's not green tea at all. Smell.
So it's good.
Smells good? Good. Woo, no filling yet. It does smell good. Do you like it?
I wouldn't buy it.
No.
No. 2.25.
2.25 daw?
2.25.
Sige. You wanna finish that?
No.
Next one, ito. This is Lala.
Fish
It's
chips?
a fish cracker, yeah. Have you
Okay.
tried fish cracker
No.
before? No? Now you will try it. Okay, smell it.
Oh, that smells disgusting.
Taste it. Over. OA. Over. Babe. No. Open your nose. Come on.
You can't taste anything.
Because you close. Again. Don't. You need to smell it while eating it. Do you like it?
1.5.
1.5.
Yeah.
A lot of people actually like this. I used to
This smells
really like
disgusting.
this. It's fish. Okay, guys. Last 2. Pick which one you want to try first.
That one.
This is the Owishi prawn crackers. Yummers. It's spicy.
Ah. So 1.
Smell it. Smell.
They're okay.
The packet.
That fish one's worse smelling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it alright? I think you gotta try 3 for you to really taste the spiciness.
I can feel it coming along.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it though? Do you like texture? Do you like the taste?
It's 2.
It's 2.
It's 2.
A lot of people like it and they love eating this with beer. So perfect. Pulutan yun. And then last one, this is one of my favorite snacks as well. The Uwishi cracklings, salt and vinegar. Cracklings, yawas.
You like our salt and vinegar chips here or not?
I do like the salt and vinegar chips here, but this one is like very vinegary.
Okay.
See?
Uh,
It's like the salt and vinegar chips here is like very mild compared to the cracklings. So we'll see.
I can taste the vinegar.
Yeah, right? Very strong vinegar flavor.
Yeah.
Do you like it though? Love this.
It's a 2.
It's a 2?
It's a 2.
No 5.
No 5s today.
This is really good. I can finish this now. This is really disappointing because it should not taste like this. It tastes very rubbery. Parang matagal na siya. Parang expired siya, but it's not. It will expire November 2017. So, yeah, it's bad. It's rubbery. It doesn't taste like this, babe. He gave this a 1, so this is the worst. And then the best one is this. This is the best one for him. Chocolate, of course. So, yes, Ribisco.
All the snacks are dry.
Yeah, they are a bit dry. Maybe because they're exported as well. So, yeah, that is it for this video. We have heaps of snacks now that I need to finish.
There's a giveaway for these snacks. We'll mail them to you. Just send it.
They're like, we have unlimited supplies of those. Anyway, that is it for this video. Would you do this again? Chocolate snacks time?
Chocolate snacks. Not these snacks. These are mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala siyang 5. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please let us know what you want to see Dan try next. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Be good.
Be good.